Hello again from OGS Mechanics Workshop. Today another day, another job, another video. And what I want to highlight in this video is about headlights and condensation. And this topic, it's applicable to many modern vehicles. And this is an F10. As you can see, look around, there's a lot of condensation into the headlights. Now, why is this vehicle in? It is because the passenger side vehicle stopped altogether. Passenger side headlight is stopped altogether now. Those new headlights on new vehicles, modern vehicles, they have electronic components internally. And water with those electronic components, they don't go well at all. And just want to show you this headlight, the passenger side one, that it has problems and it stopped altogether. So we have found it was something very minor, like a little crack in here, which was allowing the water, the moisture from the air to go inside. And obviously, because there's heat inside the headlight from the control units, eventually will condensate. And mainly it does condensate on the parts that they get very hot. And this is the control unit, the controller for the headlight. And as you can see, those connectors, they look quite okay. However, on this side, they are very corroded. And this is very likely to be the power supply for the control unit, which gets very hot. So what happens in here is not just the control unit that failed because it's been left so long, it's also into the headlight. Let's film this. So into the headlight, the far end connector, hope you can pick up that, is also very corroded. So as you can see, those are nice and clean, but the far end is very corroded. So at this stage, because the problem has been left for so long, there's no other way to rectify this other than replace the control unit. So the point of the video is that if you see the condensation into the headlight, you have to act rapidly before you'll have any damage to the electronics inside the headlights. You can save the headlights, and it could be something simple like a crack. So imagine on this situation, if the customer was acting as soon as he starts seeing the condensation, the fault, it could be rectified easily to seal it. The headlight will be dried out, and then no components were needed to be replaced. However, in this situation, the repairs becomes much more expensive. Obviously, now we have to locate a headlight and so on, time delays and so on. So you've seen some condensation into the headlight, act rapidly, avoid costly repairs. Again, a glimpse in OGS Mechanics Workshop, one stop for all your vehicle needs.